It's time for another exercise. We've learned how to create a stack data structure, but what about a queue data structure? Luckily for us, a lot of the principles are going to be the same. And if you are able to understand how the stack data structure works, then you should have no problem building a queue data structure. I've created a template to start us off here, and your job is to create these three methods. Peek, which we're familiar with. We want to peek and get the very first item in our queue, or our line, as I like to call it. And in our constructor, instead of having top and bottom, like we did with a stack, we have first and last. Who's first in line, who's last in line. And obviously a length of 0. And your job is to create and fill out these methods. OnQueue, remember, is to add to the queue, and DQueue is to remove from the queue. Remember that the difference between a stack that uses pop is that DQueue removes from the front of the list, whatever is first. And again, if you want, you can create another method called isEmpty. And your goal is to create this queue so that you can create a waitlist app where Joy gets in line, then Matt gets in line, then Pavel gets in line, then Samir gets in line, and then you're dequeuing them one by one with first come, first serve basis. Good luck, and I'll see you in the solution video.